Two popular project management platforms, Smartsheet and Taskworld. One ultimate showdown, which one actually makes your workflow smarter? On one side, Smartsheet, the spreadsheet-based powerhouse loved by enterprises. On the other, Taskworld, the visually driven, collaboration-focused newcomer aiming to shake things up. We're putting both to the test in categories that matter: features, ease of use, pricing, collaboration tools, integrations, and customer support. Let's skip the hype and look at what truly sets them apart. Each area earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which tool takes the crown. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's the game plan. I'm mapping out all the key categories we'll compare, just so you know what's coming up: price, features, ease of use, collaboration, integrations, mobile app experience, and, of course, security. Got your favorites in mind? Let's see how they stack up. Let's start with something everyone's curious about: price. So Smartsheet definitely packs a punch for big teams, and it's got flexible enterprise pricing, but if you're a small team or just starting out, that price tag hits a little different. Advanced stuff also costs extra. Now, Taskworld, super transparent and, honestly, way more affordable for small teams, plus there's even a free plan. The catch? Add-ons could nudge the price up if you go big. Still, if we're picking a winner here, Taskworld definitely takes the crown on pricing. Moving on to features. Smartsheet gets a lot of hype here, and for good reason. Advanced automation, customizable workflows, reporting dashboards, the whole 9 yards. But, fair warning, you might need to buckle up for a learning curve, and some things are behind premium walls. Taskworld is more straightforward. It's got stuff like built-in chat, templates, and nice visual Kanban boards. But it doesn't go as deep into the power user territory. Fewer integrations, a bit lighter on the analytics. Still, Smartsheet edges out as the more feature-packed option. Alright, ease of use. Smartsheet feels instantly familiar if you're an Excel person, but man, the interface can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not a spreadsheet junkie. Taskworld, on the other hand, is honestly just super intuitive, drag and drop, clean, and those task boards are so visual. The flip side, it's not nearly as customizable as Smartsheet, but honestly, most folks won't even notice. Taskworld is definitely the winner for simplicity. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Smartsheet actually launched as a plain spreadsheet tool back in 2006. Meanwhile, Taskworld? It was created by a former Olympic sailor. Talk about charting their own courses, right? Now, let's talk teamwork collaboration. Smartsheet brings automated alerts and reminders with solid commenting and proofing. The thing missing? No built-in chat. You're relying on integrations for that, which is meh. Taskworld totally flips that. Real-time chat, direct messages, super easy file sharing, but if you want workflow automations, not as robust. Overall, both offer strong collaboration, but in their own way, so I'd call it a tie. Integrations. Okay, if you love connecting all your apps, listen up. Smartsheet is packed with integrations, like, we're talking Teams, Slack, Jira, Salesforce, and literally hundreds more. Although some integrations are hidden in more expensive plans. Taskworld supports the basics: Google, Slack, Calendar. But honestly, there just aren't as many options. So on integrations, Smartsheet wins this easily. Let's pause for a sec and chat about mobile apps. Smartsheet's mobile app is surprisingly powerful. You can do pretty much everything, even offline editing, though there's the occasional sync lag that'll drive you nuts. Taskworld, super clean, loads fast, and you get all your push notifications on the go. Some features are still desktop only, but hey, both are good. I'd say it's a tie here. Last major thing, security. Smartsheet goes hard with compliance. We're talking SOC2, GDPR, HIPAA, plus custom roles and permissions galore. It's a bit much to manage, honestly, but if you need enterprise-grade security, no contest. Taskworld isn't slouching 2FA, access controls, but it doesn't tick as many of those compliance boxes. Easy win for Smartsheet here. Okay, so let's visually size these two up across all our categories: price, features, ease of use, collaboration, integrations, mobile, security. It's pretty clear where each one stands out. Here's where I land. If you're a big organization and you need those wild automations, compliance, the whole enterprise package, Smartsheet is your jam. But if your team is on the smaller side and you just want a simple tool that makes visual project tracking painless, Taskworld is honestly perfect. Different horses for different courses, you know? If this helped you compare, definitely save this for the next time you need to pick a project tool. And stick around. We've got loads more matchups coming your